Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning, and we are heading out to BIG on State Street in Boise, Idaho, which is British, Italian, and German auto shop. So we're gonna go to a little car meet, and I think it's hosted by the PCA guys, so Porsche Club of America. And yeah, I haven't been to one of these yet, so we're gonna go pick up Tyler and head out there and check out some cool cars, and they are probably going for a drive after. We'll see if we want to join.
Far away.
What do you think of the wing?
Way sick.
Yeah?
I love it.
It's like a race car.
Yeah. I'm excited to go to autocrossing and
Check it
see
out.
how she goes.
Perfect.
You did it last weekend?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the sucky part was
Beautiful cars
Oh, really? Where'd you go?
at BIG Motors in Boise, Idaho. Woo. Love this GT4, Carrera, another Cayman, buddy, and a little turbo over there.
Get like a
driver. Beautiful shop. Look at all these sick cars. What do you think? You ready to?
You're missing out on
ready
the
to get a
Subaru
Porsche?
cross track. Should bring mine next time.
You can autocross that thing?
Yeah, dude.
Are you?
Go fast.
You should. I think you'd do well. You just bring your walnuts and your trail mix.
My walnuts and my trail mix.
Yeah, and they met at Leia. I think it was just a.
All right, we just had the little gathering meeting. We're gonna head out on the first PCA drive, so hope we don't die. Definitely a little nervous. First drive, all these guys in their nice cars. I've got probably one of the oldest ones, but we'll
What's
see how everything-
the route look like that we're about to do?
We're pretty much cruising out behind the Treasure Valley, around the river to what, freeze out area. And apparently, you know, it's a no speeding cruise, but we've heard some interesting remarks. I'm gonna stall it. Ready to roll.
They go pretty good. Pretty rough.
Just like Highway 9.
Yeah. What? What the hell? Yeah.
That was sick.
On purpose?
Floated through that whole corner. Probably.
Damn.
That was dope. That was savage.
That was crazy.
I'm not trying to do that.
Do it again. The car was looking at me, he's like, what the hell?
I'll give him a little bit of room. I'm so used to dirt biking.
I know.
Freaking DK over here. But that's that rear end problem. 911, you know?
Yeah.
Step out.
Your footage might be a little shaky. It's
You do wide angle, it's more stable. He's like, yeah.
I'll pretend I didn't see all of this.
Are we pulling over? Everybody's cars, super fun. Some beautiful cars. Some fast ones too. Woo. Pretty fun. Take a quick scan down the line here.
And it's scary to pass them because you think they're going to flip it off and go around. I don't know. Jordan and his wife were. I didn't get up in my mountain.
Gonna head out to the next stop. This has been super fun. There she is. Let's do this. That's cool. I feel like these guys probably rip. Yeah. It's a cool spot. Alright, so we're done with the drive and the meet today, and man, I just had such a good time out there. I don't know everybody yet. It's my first time really gathering with everybody, so kind of fun just to get to see who everyone is and what cars they have and their story with the Porsches. And the driving, I finally got my tires just a little bit warmed up, and oh my gosh, this car has the potential to handle and perform way better than I thought it could. So that was kind of cool. I feel like I didn't even touch the comfort zone of the car in a lot of the driving capacities where I felt that I was going at a pretty good pace. So the car, the weight doesn't, you don't feel the weight transitioning in the corners like I have in my previous cars, even with coilovers on them. This car just feels so light and rigid, but yet supple too. So the Öhlins road and track coilovers probably have a lot to do with that, with their progressive dampening system. But I'm on the lightest or the softest dampening setup right now, and I'll probably ramp them up for the autocross and stiffen them up and really see what the chassis will do with it really stiffened up. But oh my gosh, I'm blown away at the performance of the car. It doesn't at all even come close to losing grip or traction, even under pretty aggressive power on the exit of corners, even silty corners. So just overall, stunned by how cool this car is, and I'm just falling in love with it more and more every time I drive it and every time I improve one little component or aspect of it. And personally, I love the wing. I know some of you guys may have mixed opinions about the dive planes from Joe Toth on the front, but they do balance and serve a purpose for the downforce that is accumulated with the rear RS wing from Getty Designs. And so you want to counter that out so that the car stays planted in the front. But all in all, such a good trip. Thanks for watching, you guys. Can't wait for the next meet or event or whatnot. And next time you might be seeing me at the autocross. So it's coming up in a week from now, and we'll really see what this baby can do.